Rafaqat Kazmi. Today we are going to explore the basics of Python programming, starting with the comments. So let's get started. What are the comments? In simple terms, comments are the pieces of code that the interpreter ignores. They are there to help us humans understand the code better. Imagine you are writing a brilliant piece of code. 6 months down the line, if someone else has to work on your code, understanding what you did can be tough. That's where comments come in handy. They make our code more readable and maintainable. Why use comments? Why would you write something that doesn't get executed? There are two main reasons. Number one, team collaboration. When you are working in a team, comments help others understand your logic and thought process. If you take a leave or move to another project, your teammates can still make sense of your code. Number two, self-documentation. Even if you are working solo, comments are the like little notes to your future self. 6 months later, you will thank yourself for those explanations. Writing comments in Python. In Python, writing comments is a super easy. Just use the hash symbol. Let's jump into some code. Hash, this is a comment, print hello world. Hash, this prints hello world to the console. When you run this code, you will only see the output hello world because the interpreter skips over the comments, multi-line comments. Now there is one thing about Python comments. There is no built-in support for the multi-line comments like in some other languages. But don't worry, we can still manage. If you need to write a comment that spans multiple lines, you just add a hash symbol at the beginning of each line. Hash, this is a multi-line comment, hash in Python. You have to use the hash symbol at the start of each line. Alternatively, some people use triple quotes for multi-line strings, but this is more of a lack and not the intended use. This is not a comment. This is a multi-line string that is not assigned to any variable. Remember, comments should be concise and to the point. You generally will not need to write paragraphs. Example 1, describing a function. Let's look at an example of describing a function. Def add ab hash. This function adds two numbers and returns the result, return a plus b. Here is the comment explain what the function does, making it clear for anyone reading the code. Example 2, making a to-do. Another common use of the comments is to make to-do lines def include underscore discount price hash to-do implement discount calculation logic pass. This helps you or your teammates remember what needs to be done in future. Example 3, exampling complex logic. Comments are also useful for explaining complex logic. Definition is prime into number. Hash, check if the number is less than 2, then it is not a prime number. If number is less than 2, return false. Hash, check factors from 2 to sprint into num. For I in the integer 2 into num double static 0.05 plus 1. If number percentage I is equal to 0, return false. Return true. Here is the comment help in understanding the logic behind the prime number check. Disabling code. Sometimes you might want to temporarily disable a piece of code. This is useful when you are debugging or testing different parts of your code. Summary. So, to sum up, comments are your way to documenting your code. They make your code more readable for others and for your future use. Use the hash symbol for single line comments and don't worry too much about multi-line comments. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.